Hey, it's your boy Solo. Want a shadow command? Okay, you talked me into it. We'll make one. Okay, first thing that we're going to need to do, just like any command, we're going to need to be in our chat. If you're not doing it in your chat, you'll need to be in the dashboard for the bot that you're making the command for. What we're going to do is we're going to start in the chat and we'll work through the bot and how to add them in StreamElements or Nightbot. So first thing that we want to do is, depending on the bot you have, you want to add command, which is very simple to do. Okay, to make the command, we just add an exclamation mark, command, space, add. This is the command add for StreamElements. So then we want to put SO or shoutout. You can name your command whatever you want. This will work for both. You can use command add SO or command add shoutout. After that, this is going to get a little bit more complicated. First, we're going to start with a few basic things like checkout $, one bracket. Those are brackets, okay. I'm not quite sure of the official name of them. I'm just going to call them brackets. So after you have command add, exclamation mark, SO, checkout, $, quote, one, quote, apostrophe. I'm going to put apostrophe in there just for grammar. And then they were last seen playing, and we want to use another $, and a bracket. And we're just going to type game in here. This is StreamElements has a page of a list of stuff that you can use. I will show you the variables that you're allowed to use. This is one of the variables that are included in StreamElements. So you can type in game, and then we want the space, $, one, again, and we want another one of those brackets. Okay, and they're seen last. Playing that game last at https://. So yeah, that's quite a handful. So https://. You can copy paste this from your Twitch TV. You can just copy paste it as well. I think that will work. And then just type in twitch.tv/ and then another $, and a bracket, channel, space, $, bracket, one, closing bracket, and closing bracket. Make sure you put 2 of those in there, and that's it. That should be everything you need. We're just going to give this a test. Click the add. Alright, the SO command was added, so let's give it a try. So we're going to SO ourselves first. See how it looks. Alright, that looks pretty good. So I'll check it. SO at ZNSolo101. Alright, there we go. So that'll make it highlight in chat for the username that it says. But it allows you to use with the and sign and doesn't add the and sign at the end here. I had to double check that just to make sure. So that's how you would add it for StreamElements. And another thing with StreamElements is you go to StreamElements.com and go to the dashboard. After you make the command, you want to make sure that you go to StreamElements dashboard. And you can add the command in the StreamElements dashboard as well. But for this example, I wanted to add it in chat, where most commands are going to be added in chat, maybe by a mod or somebody else. That just made it so that if it is added, you want to make sure that you go onto your StreamElements and go down to the side to where it says chat commands. This will be pretty straightforward. From default commands, you want to go over to the custom commands you just added and go down to the SO command. See, it says here that just the access level is set to everyone. That means that somebody can come in your chat from another stream. Let's say another streamer that's toxic and wanted to self-promote, they'd be able to SO themselves. So to change that, we're going to click this little drop-down menu here. And instead of the user level being everybody, you can change it so that it's a subscriber, regular, VIP, moderator, super mod, or the broadcaster. So the broadcaster would mean that only you would be able to give the SO. So we're going to use the moderator so that a mod can do a shout out. If I say, oh, can somebody please give this person a shout out? Somebody can click SO right quick. They don't have to be very good at spelling. All they have to do is click at the username and bam, you're done. So that's as easy as that is for StreamElements. And another way to do it is you can come up here to add the command, click in the SO, change this here to moderator, and click copy paste this in here to make that exact same command. Instead of, if you don't want to make it in your chat and you just want to do it all here in this here dashboard, you can just go to custom commands, click add commands, and then the new commands, and you can use them from templates too, but I just use new command, click the SO, and then copy paste this here right here. And it will make the exact same command the exact same way and save you one step from typing it in chat and then having to change it to a moderator in here. With that being said, I'm just going to cancel that. Okay, there we go. There we go. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do, if you have Nightbot and still want the shoutout command, it's just the exact same process. You can go to your chat or you can go to the Nightbot dashboard and you can add a command. To do it from your chat, you would just commands with an S instead of just command. Like StreamElements is command space add, and Nightbots is commands add. And then we can make a shoutout. This can be SO or shoutout. I'm just making this one here shoutout because I just made an SO command. So you wouldn't want to make an SO command, a shoutout command, be the exact same for both bots. So for the example, I'm doing an SO, and this one here is going to be a shoutout. So for Nightbot, we have to use commands add instead of command add. So make sure you pay attention to that small detail, as it will be the difference between it working and not working. And with this one here, it's going to be the exact same thing. I'm going to say, go check out. Now this one's a little different. We're going to use the money side, and we're going to use a different type of brackets and type in touser. Okay, then we're going to put at and a $sign and another bracket, which is shift 9, this bracket, not the other ones. I don't know what the difference between those brackets are, but this one here uses the curved brackets instead of the more squared brackets with the peg in the middle of it. I'm not sure the difference of them, but we use these here rounded ones that are 9 and 0 on your keyboard with shift. And we're going to type in Twitch. And put a space, another $sign, more brackets, and type in touser again. Alright, we're almost done with this one here. After that, we're going to put some quotation marks, and we're going to use the other brackets. Those ones with the weird pointies on them. And we're going to do 2 sets and type URL in the middle of them. So open bracket, close bracket with URL in the middle of it. And type in they were last seen playing. And then we're going to do the same thing with the same type of brackets. We're going to 2 open brackets, 2 close brackets, and type game in the middle of it. And then we want to make sure that we put our quotations at the end of it. And shift 0 bracket and a period. Now that should be everything I need. I'm just going to double check it here and click enter. Okay, it said Nightbot added the shoutout command. Let's give it a test. Shoutout at solo. Alright, it says go check out ZN Solo at Twitch. I was last seen playing Apex. I like the way that Nightbot does it quite a bit better than StreamElements, but if you only want one bot, I would suggest StreamElements, as it does quite a bit better job of a lot of other commands. And that being said, the same thing for Nightbot. You can go to the Nightbot dashboard, log in using your Twitch information, and go to your commands, go to custom commands, and you'll see your command right here. You can do the exact same thing here. You don't have to type it out in chat. You can click the add command and add the command. But in here, the same thing we're going to do is go here to the edit button. And there's a spot in the edit commands where it will say user level. You want to make sure that only moderators can use the SO command. I can't tell you enough times how toxic someone could be if you let the wrong people have it. So someone comes in your chat and thinks they can abuse it. Before you would have someone ban them, they might get a few shout outs. This will prevent that, so make sure you change the user level to a moderator. This will prevent any of that kind of stuff from happening. And click submit. There you go. Now, only the moderators in your chat will be able to use that command instead of just anybody that comes in, which is pretty good, and that's everything you need to know. That's the shoutout command on Nightbot or StreamElements. I don't have the shoutout command for Streamlabs, unfortunately. I do not use Streamlabs, and I've never used Streamlabs, so I only know the way to do it with Nightbot and StreamElements. If there's anything that you think I may have missed in this here video, definitely leave something down in the description below. And if you like or found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up and get subscribed for more content. Thanks for watching, guys.